Hey, welcome back. So I hope that you had a wonderful Easter with your friends and your family. I hope that you were able to spend time with those that you love. I know that I was, and it's always a great time. I just also got back from our incentive trip from Punta Cana with our 31 home office and all of those that earned the trip. And it was so awesome. Such a great time to be in person with our with our other consultants and leaders and our home office staff. It was truly a great time. Okay, so we have a spring sale that has launched on April 18th and will run through April 30th. Okay, so everything in our spring capsule is going to be 31% off, and in that bunnies print is going to be 40% off. So if you have seen this capsule or even seen this online, this is our spring capsule. This is what is going to be on sale. Now, I don't have all of the products like in every print that they come in, but I'm just going to show you a few of them today. But just know that if you go to the website, go to the sale tab and then go to spring sale, you'll see all of the items that are on sale. So everything's going to be 31% off, except for anything in the bunny print, the spring bunnies print. Let me see if I can find that in here. And that print is going to be 40% off in the bunnies print. Where is the page? Well, anyways, it's right here. So it's the spring bunnies. So it's kind of hard to see, but anything with it's like a gray background with little Easter bunnies on there. Really cute. Okay. So just a few of my favorite products. This is the Littles Carry-All Caddy and the Positive Vibes. This is going to be 31% off. Okay. Love that. So cute. And this comes on there just like that. So you won't even have to add personalization to that one. This one is my daughter's. We got this for her for Easter. This is the small essential storage tote in the green gingham, or classic, it's called classic gingham print. And then I did this floral personalization here, floral wreath. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I did navy blue personalization and hot pink for her. And then on the inside of this, I actually have I think 55 envelopes. I am mailing some of my gift club members one of our new little flyers, so they'll be getting those in the mail. But I was like, I've got to take these to the post office and get some stamps. So this is just the perfect little bag for that. So that'll kind of give you a little size comparison. This is just like one of the the long envelopes. So I have I can fit plenty more in here. So this is that small essential storage tote in the green gingham. It's also going to come in the small essential storage tote. It's also going to come in the bunnies print. Okay, so that's the small essential storage tote in the classic gingham. Okay, and then this is the Get Outside organizer tote. Now I have an entire video on this, and I'll link it above about how I used it when I traveled. So I think the intentions of this was to be used for like a gardening bag, an outside little tote, but it was really great when I traveled. I really enjoyed it. So you have 3 pockets here on the front, and then you have little elastic bands for, your gardening tools. You can put them in there and then have them secure. I actually had when I used this as my travel bag, I had my hair brushes in here, and then on the sides, I had the dialed in phone case. You can see that video. I'll link it above, like I said. And then on each side, you got the mesh pockets, and then 2 larger pockets on this side. And if you wanted to add personalization, your personalization would be right here. Now this is the spring floral print, and it also comes in the classic gingham print as well. So you have 2 print choices for that. Okay, so it's got a handle right here. It is an open tote here, so I like that idea. But it was really great. Like on the inside, when I traveled, I had my hair brushes, I had my dialed in phone purse right here on the side, and then on the inside, I had my hair dryer, my flat iron, my hanging traveler case, and it was just my little bathroom caddy. So everything that I needed in the bathroom to get ready was in this tote. So I love that. Okay, but also in the sale is our gardening tools. So you do have 2 print options for this as well. So this is the spring floral, and we also have that gingham print. So you've got the little rake and the shovel, a great little Mother's Day gift, and that just fits perfectly in here. Okay, And then, oh, well, let me show you these. These are the gardening gloves here. Now, there's two sizes, a small, medium, and a large, extra large. I know that you're like, what size is my hands? I mean, I think I have an average hand. Like, my hand's not overly small or overly, you know, large. So I chose the small, medium. Now, I used to work in the operating room, and my glove size, if you were a medical person, was a 6.5, 7, depending on the type of glove. But it has kind of like a suede feel to this side, and then like a textured ribbed feel on this side. So I love these gloves. I love that they are form fitting, so you can, you know, have dexterity when you need them. So this is the gardening gloves. Those are also on sale. And then these are the Essentials Portfolio Organizer. I may have said that backwards. Essential Organizer Portfolio, I can't remember, but this also comes in two prints. This is a spring floral and the classic gingham. Okay, now when I use this, when I traveled, I actually used this as a snack bag. We're all about the snacks here, okay? But I think, you know, kind of the intention was maybe a coupon bag or to put your seed packets in there. So you do have a little elastic loop right there with a button, so you can button close this. And then when you open it up, you'll see that you just kind of have like a little accordion style, you know, organization. So this back pocket is just a pocket there. And then this is, you've got two little zipper, clear zipper things here. I'm going to open those so you guys can see. So you can, oh my gosh, I closed them. I didn't open them. They were already open. Oops. So you can store things in here. So, you know, seed packets, if you will, coupons, or snacks if you're like me. Now, this is the same material as our reusable snack bag. So if you have one of our reusable snack bags, just know that it's the same thing, just a different type closure. Now, I had like gummies and, you know, Propel and liquid IV packets in here. And this was a great, so I just think when we go on our trip this summer, I'll be taking this full of snacks. And of course, this one is the exact same thing. So those are just a few of the items that I had. There's also the, Your Way rectangle. There's the Your Way cubes in that classic gingham print. So you've got the cubes, the rectangles, also the double duty caddy. So everything that is in this sale is going to be anything from the spring capsule. So hope it was helpful just to see a few of these things in person. I'll link above, or link at the end of the video, my video on the Get Outside organizing tote and how I used it for travel to kind of give you a different idea. But I hope that you'll have fun shopping this sale. Just know that it will end on April 30th. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your 31 girl if you're in the United States. So I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook. You can click to join, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a private message. So make sure that you check that message request folder. Sometimes it'll go to your spam folder since we're not Facebook friends, okay? And hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group on Facebook. If you're interested in making some extra money and becoming a consultant, maybe for this summer, you want to go on vacation, you want to pay for those little extras, I'd love to chat with you and see if 31 might be a fit for you. I can answer any questions that you have, and I would love to help you get your business off to a strong start. Or if you're interested in hosting, sometimes if you're interested in the business opportunity, but not quite there yet, hosting might be a great fit for you, a great option for you too. So we can definitely chat and set up a party link for you and set up a party for you online. I can party with anyone in the United States, which is so fun. You don't have to live near me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification when I post a new video. Okay, see you soon. Have a great